Tired of waiting for your money? Let's break down how long PayPal really takes to clear a pending bank account transfer. Okay, you just transferred money from your bank account to PayPal, and it's showing as pending. What's next? The standard processing time is usually between 3 to 5 business days. That business days part is key. So weekends and holidays don't count. So, if you initiate a transfer on a Friday, expect the clock to start ticking on Monday. Keep in mind this is just an estimate. Sometimes it can be quicker, sometimes it can take the full 5 days. The exact time frame can also depend on your bank and PayPal's internal verification processes. Some banks process these transfers faster than others. PayPal also needs to verify that the funds are actually available and that the transaction is legitimate. If it's been longer than 5 business days and your transfer is still pending, it's time to investigate. Head over to the PayPal Help Center, which is usually accessible through your account settings, or contact PayPal support directly. PayPal customer service can help you track the transfer and identify any potential issues, such as incorrect bank details or security flags. Once the transfer clears, you'll receive a confirmation notification from PayPal, and the funds will be available in your account. So, while 3 to 5 business days is the norm, patience is key. Understanding these factors can help manage your expectations.